Today's word is come in. The author is Alex Richter and illustrator is Roderick Hunt. ORD means Oxford Reading Tree. This is the title page and it is Come In. The level 4 stories, Big Chip and Kipper stories, provide humorous storyline to engage and motivate children through their popular and familiar characters. I hope you like it. This is the title page. As you can see, the name of the story, Come In, is written here. We can see Kipper. He's wearing a red and white shirt and white pants. We can see Floppy at the back, yellow color of the dog, whose name is Floppy. His time is out. And we can see the blue color of door. Kipper is standing on the doorstep. We can see the door handle, the keyhole. And the name of the story is Come In. Let's turn the page. Over here we can see Mom saying bye to Dad is painting the door. Dad has a paint box in his hands and a paintbrush. Mom is leaving. She's going out. She's hanging a bag on her shoulder. And Robbie is leaving also. Dad is busy painting the door. Mom is wearing an orange coat, blue and white shirt in yellow pants. She is holding a brown color of bag. And Robbie is watching both of them. Dad is wearing a white shirt and a brown pant, and she's saying goodbye, bye-bye to Mom. Dad was painting the door. Mom went out. Two children came to play. Wilf and Wilma came to play. Wilma is wearing an orange coat and white shirt, and Wilf is wearing a yellow color of shirt, and they both want to play. So Dad is saying, come in, said Dad. He's holding a paintbrush and a blue color of paint box in his hands. He is busy painting the door. Over here on this page we can see Beth is standing at the doorstep. Floppy is behind her, and Beth is wearing a green color shirt and white pants and white trainers. Three children came to the house. They came to play with Beth. Okay, we can see Dad in the other window. He's washing something, and we can see a placard next to the door because the door is wet, so it is written wet paint. Come in, said Beth. We turn the page, and now we can see four children came to the house. They came to play with chair. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count them, and we can see Floppy, and there goes the placard. As Floppy runs out, he sees 1, 2, 3 dogs as well. So, come in, said Chip. Chip is in the window and saying hello, and all their friends are saying hi. Now, we turn the page, we see 5 children came to play. They wanted to play with Kipper. And we can see lots of children from the window. Inside, they're having fun. And we can see 5 children outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First one is wearing a green shirt and a black skirt, and the other one is wearing a beige shirt and jeans, and he's holding a skateboard in his hands. The third one is wearing a blue coat and a pant, and the second one is wearing a blue and white striped shirt and a white shorts. And the first one is wearing an orange coat and blue and white skirt. And Kipper is standing at the doorstep. needs a keeper, and Floppy's also at the doorstep, and some dogs, 1, 2, 3 dogs. The mom came home. What a lot of children! What a mess, she said. There was a crowd of children, so many children, and the house was a mess. Everything was scattered. You can see a sofa, a teddy bear on the sofa, and everything was thrown down. So, Mom was really cross. She's holding 2 paint boxes in her hands. One is blue color and one is green color, and she was really angry. Now let's start the page. Mom gave the children some biscuits. They all went home. Mom looked for Big Chip and Kipper. They were watching television. They are sitting on a bed. You can see a lamp. We can see part of a washer, and we can see a towel stand, a towel hanging, and Biff lying on the bed with her hands on her cheeks. Chip has a pillow at his back. Mom went outside. Oh no, said Mom, she saw so many dogs at the door. They all came to see Floppy. Kipper is also standing at the bed, and he's holding a green color paint box. This is the end of the story. Hope you like it.